Hello, today we are talking about cracking the code, hard money unveiled, and it's working wonders. So, before we start, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. In the realm of real estate investing, there are various financing options available to investors. One such option gaining traction in recent years is the hard money loan. Often shrouded in mystery, this financial tool can be a game changer for investors looking to seize opportunities quickly and efficiently. In this video, we will delve deep into the world of hard money loans, explaining what they are, the benefits they offer to real estate investors, what to look for when talking to a hard money lender, and how even investors with no experience or foreign nationals can qualify for these loans. What is a hard money loan? A hard money loan is a short-term loan that real estate investors typically use to purchase properties. Unlike traditional bank loans, which rely heavily on the borrower's creditworthiness and financial history, hard money loans are secured by the property's value. Here's how it works. When a real estate investor identifies an opportunity, such as a distressed property that needs renovation or foreclosure auction, they often need quick access to capital to secure the deal. Traditional lenders may not be able to provide the funds in a timely manner, or they may require a lengthy approval process. This is where hard money lenders come into play. Hard money lenders are typically private individuals or companies that provide short-term loans for real estate investments. They base their lending decisions on the property's value and profit potential rather than the borrower's credit score or financial history. Because of this, hard money loans are often easier and faster to obtain than traditional bank loans. Benefits of using hard money as a real estate investor. Now that we understand what a hard money loan is, let's explore the benefits it offers to real estate investors. Speed and efficiency. One of the primary advantages of hard money loans is the speed at which they can be secured. Traditional mortgage applications can take weeks or even months to be approved. In contrast, hard money lenders often provide funds within days, allowing investors to move quickly on lucrative opportunities. This speed can be a game changer in competitive real estate markets. Flexibility. Hard money loans offer a high degree of flexibility. Traditional lenders have strict criteria and regulations that must be met, which can limit the types of properties and deals that investors can pursue. Hard money lenders are more willing to work with investors on unique or unconventional projects, making it easier to capitalize on unique opportunities. Asset-based lending. Hard money loans are asset-based, meaning they are secure by the property being purchased. This reduces the lender's risk as they have a tangible asset to recover their investment if the borrower defaults. As a result, hard money lenders are often more interested in the potential profitability of the project rather than the borrower's credit history. Short-term financing. Hard money loans are typically short-term, with terms ranging from a few months to a few years. This can be advantageous for investors who plan to buy, renovate, and sell properties quickly. The short-term nature of these loans allows investors to minimize interest expenses and maximize returns on their investments. What to look for when talking to a hard money lender? Choosing the right hard money lender is crucial for a successful real estate investment. Here are some key factors to consider when evaluating potential lenders. Experience and reputation. Research the lender's track record and reputation within the industry. Look for reviews, testimonials, and references from other investors who have worked with them. An experienced and reputable lender will likely provide a smooth and reliable lending experience. Terms and rates. Compare the terms and interest rates offered by different hard money lenders. While hard money loans generally come with higher interest rates than traditional mortgages, the specific terms can vary significantly. Consider the loan-to-value ratio, the loan length, and any additional fees associated with the loan. Loan-to-value ratio, LTV. The loan-to-value ratio is a critical factor in hard money lending. It represents the percentage of the property's value the lender is willing to finance. A lower LTV means a lower risk for the lender, but may require a larger down payment from the investor. It's essential to find a balance that works for your investment goals. Exit strategy. Discuss your exit strategy with the lender. Be transparent about your plans for the property, whether it's a fix and flip project or a long-term investment. Understanding your strategy will help the lender tailor the loan terms to your specific needs. Communication. Effective communication with your lender is essential throughout the loan process. Ensure that you have a clear line of communication and that your questions and concerns are addressed promptly. A lender who values open and transparent communication can make the lending process smoother. Qualifying for hard money loans, no experience or foreign nationals. One common misconception about hard money loans is that they are only accessible to experienced real estate investors or U.S. citizens. However, this is not necessarily the case. Hard money lenders evaluate loan applications differently from traditional banks, and this can open doors for individuals with little to no experience or foreign nationals. No experience. While experience can be a plus, some hard money lenders are willing to work with first-time investors. In such cases, the lender may focus more on the property's potential and the borrower's ability to execute the project successfully. Providing a detailed renovation budget and clearly understanding the investment can increase your chances of approval. Foreign nationals. Foreign nationals who wish to invest in U.S. real estate can also qualify for hard money loans. In these cases, lenders may require additional documentation, such as a valid passport, proof of income, and a foreign credit report. Working with a lender experienced in financing foreign nationals can simplify the application process. Hard money loans are a powerful tool in the arsenal of real estate investors. Their speed, flexibility, and asset-based nature make them an attractive option for those looking to capitalize on opportunities in the real estate market. When considering a hard money loan, carefully evaluate potential lenders, understand the terms and rates, and communicate openly about your investment strategy. Whether you're an experienced investor or a foreign national looking to enter the U.S. real estate market, hard money loans can provide the financing you need to achieve your goals. So, if you're ready to crack the code and unveil the wonders of hard money lending, reach out to us for more information about our lending products and how they can work for you. Your next successful real estate investment may be just a hard money loan away. Contact us today to learn more and embark on your real estate journey with confidence. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.